G'day guys, Ozzy from Morrflate here. Just want to show you guys our air hub. Now this is one of the things that everybody's always wanted, to air down automatically without having to sit there and open and close a valve. These things are super simple and easy to use. Simply just turn it on, select your deflation pressure. Let's just go down one for a little quick demonstration, and you just open the valve. And that is all you do. So while you're airing down, you can do many things. Lock your hubs, disconnect your sway bars, check the vehicle. Hey, maybe even make a sandwich, because you get hungry on the trail. And as it's doing that, you can actually just do anything you want, really. It takes this, like I said, it takes the most simplest task that we do for off-roading into an automated process. So now I can go talk to my friends, get everything all sorted out. So as you can see it down, it counts down. It has a live countdown of your PSI rating, and here we are, we're almost set, and wait for it. Here we go, and there it is. So now it beeps and flashes at you like a microwave telling you popcorn's done. We just close the master valve, turn it off, pack it up, and we're going wheeling. It's that simple. To inflate, very, very simple again. All we do is we turn it on, and the great thing about this system, it'll actually remember the last pressure you inflated to. So you just set it to whatever you want. Once you connect the compressor to it, turn it on, open the valve, and off you go. It'll automatically inflate to whatever desired pressure. Pack it up, put it away, and you're good to go.
Hey, Corey here with Redridge Industries. We have our ground recovery point, which is a sand acre wind shaker. Gives you something to pull against when there's nothing to pull. So no trees, no rocks, no buddies around with other vehicles to help you get out. So we go from this to the stowed. Shovel stays attached. Everything's 3 quick release pins, and you're ready to go. This size here weighs 35 pounds, good for vehicles up to about 6,500 pounds GVW. Once you get above that, we recommend going to the big grip, which weighs 51 pounds and is good for vehicles up to 14,000 pounds. A couple weeks here, so end of the month, shortly after Memorial Day, we're going to have our mount available online, so you can mount it to your molly panel, your bed liners, anything like that, roof racks, and this will carry, we'll have both sizes available for both grips. We also have our storage bags, which allows you to store the grip, some soft shackles, recovery rings, stuff like that.
Hey everybody, it's Brandon from Ignik. I just want to introduce a few new things we got down here at the Flagstaff Overland Festival. This one is brand new for us and it's completely innovative. It's called the Tap Rack system. It's basically 4 1-pound bottles that you can refill in an equalized system, so that you can twist off and use anywhere you'd use those green bottles. The valve is similar to the same valve that we have on our gas growlers or your 20-pound barbecue tank. You can fill it up at any U-Haul. This really solves the problem we started the company about, refillable 1-pound bottles. They twist on, twist off with this easy system, and you can fill this whole thing up for under $5. The green ones now cost what? I don't know, $10. So it's a great deal. Also today we're introducing the Skillet. Skillet is a 2-in-1 cooker. It works as a heater and a cooker. Has 48,000 BTUs of power, so it's an absolute fireball when it's all fired up. And it also opens up, the wings open up, and you can put a skillet on top. Has legs that attach on the bottom to raise it off the ground, to get it this height or a little bit higher. Also breaks down nice and easy for packability in your rig. Comes with a handle that lets you carry it away. This is available starting today and for pre-order for August. So check it out on ignik.com. Game changer.
Hey guys, it's Christy with Rhino Rack and MaxTrax. We're showing off our brand new freestanding awning. This is the 180. Some of the key things about this one, it's going to be a weatherproof material, UV 50 plus protected, so you can sit under the shade and relax, get out of the rain, and enjoy your camping trip. It's super simple to set up. One person, you can just swing it out just like Michael's doing right now. It's a freestanding awning, but underneath these poles, you'll see that there are legs attached inside of it. So if it does get a little bit gusty and you want some extra security, you can drop those down. So this is the Batwing 180, and we have the Batwing 270 degree as well. We've got the Sunseeker, which actually features some gas struts in it as well, so deploying that awning is even easier. And then we've also launched a shower tent with this lineup, which is our first ever shower tent. So these are available on rhinorack.com right now. Price is $999.99. We are also showing off our brand new limited edition Heritage Pack, definitely geared toward the Toyota enthusiasts. Great thing about these are they are cost at $529.99. Normally to get this colorway you would have to buy a total of 3 sets, but since we're making this a limited edition, that price is way better than having to buy 3 different sets, so it's a great deal for all these Toyota enthusiasts. Get that colorway up on the roof.
This is Scott from Black Rhino Wheels. We're at Overland Expo. This is our new Soul Wheel coming out later this year. It's going to be available in 4 finishes: a silver, black, bronze, and I believe gunmetal. Pretty clean 5-spoke style. And then we have another new style coming out as well. Over here, this is the RX. It's going to be available in 5, 6, and 8 lug, and I believe 3 finishes. Comes with our rock guard ring, and yeah. There you go.
Hello, I'm Tim with the Bottle Jack Buddy. USA made axle saddle. This is our standard size. This is for anything half-ton and smaller, any of your Jeeps, any of your 4Runners. But the basics of it, just take your bottle jack, set your axle on your bottle jack, put it underneath the axle, change a tire in half the time. All of the manufacturers have said the safest way to lift a vehicle is from the axle. So 2 different sizes depending on what you have. And then at the show last year, we launched these. It's a pad that made for us by a crane outrigger company, but just like everything we do, made in the USA, 100% lifetime warranty. It's gonna keep your jack from sliding into the sand. It's gonna make everything ready to rock and roll. Throw it in the vehicle. We tell people, pray you never have to use it. BottleJackBuddy.net.
Hi, I'm Russ at Daylodge. Come on in, check out the Airhaven awning. This is the lightest weight, most compact vehicle awning in the marketplace. It's completely inflatable. The awning's based off of proven manufacturing and proven materials from the kiteboarding and wing water sport world. It's using polyester, full ripstop, tape seams, 100% weatherproof. Adjustable pieces on the awning. You don't have to have the wall. Walls can be taken down. Walls work on all 3 sides. The awning by itself works perfectly. No support needed. It's completely self-supporting. This awning right here is just connected using flat hooks, and one of them actually came off in a huge gust here at Flagstaff, and it's still on. So I just have to put it back on. It's also got a safety leash in case the wind just rips it to high heaven, which you never know, it could happen. This is 6 feet wide by 7 feet out. This is 42 square feet of canopy. UV 50 plus, weather completely waterproof awning. It's fun. I can cant it for weather to come off of it. I actually built this originally to be stowable and compact while I was skiing. It only weighs 5.6 pounds. The whole annex, wall and Airhaven, weighs like 9 pounds. Airhaven 40 Gen 3, this is the 2025. This is going for $800. More information, reach out to me at hello@daylodge.com.
Daylodge also made these really cool cases that zip shut into a briefcase-sized pack, but open it up and their assortment of sleeves, pockets, and straps let you use it as a portable office, toolbox, kitchen, or even a bar.
All right, over at Airlift, they've got 2 really cool things. This is the digital compressor, which, portable air compressor, nothing new about that, but what's really neat is you can plug it into your 7-pin hitch receiver thing and power it off of that. And between the power line and the hose, you've got like 22 feet of range. So you can get it all the way around most vehicles and power it off your tow hitch, which is awesome. They also have their total view camera thing, which I'm not sure if I can do it with one hand, but if you want to help pull that out. So this base is a magnetic or a suction cup power pack with a battery, and the camera twists, rotates, comes out like so, and you can either hardwire it into power, or if you have this permanently mounted on a vehicle, or slide it out of that, plug it into this and stick it on the back of your trailer, or even inside your trailer. Like, let's say you're carrying horses and you want to see what the horses are up to partying in the back. This little guy is one camera that can go in many places.
Hey there, it's Rachel. I'm with Kama Surfaces. We make outdoor mats. They're origami style. They fold down, portable, waterproof, packable. You can throw them down out in front of your rig, have a really nice space to lounge on, change on. have a spot for your dog. So kind of 3 components. It's got a hard recycled plastic base, a closed cell foam top, and then the shell is a 1000D Cordura nylon, waterproof coating on the inside. We've got a couple different sizes. The large is here, the Mondo, more of like a little lounge space, and then smalls, kind of like a little front doormat, great for changing out of a wetsuit, waders, ski boots. This is how they fold. You just pop them up together like that. You can find us online, commasurface.co, Instagram, Comma Surfaces. Check us out. We'll see you around.
Hey, I'm Jake with Tripod Torch. I'm here with our super warm and very compact campfire. This campfire folds down into this bag. You can throw it into your seat and it just about disappears. It's the warmest campfire out there because we utilize a vertical burner. It's sending the heat sideways instead of up. So you're getting the heat all the way around it. We call that heat to your seat because it's going right to where you're sitting. I have the windshield on here because we have a pretty breezy day today, but that's blocking that wind and allowing the heat to billow around still. The whole kit comes with 3 shields. See right here, there's 3 shields on this guy. That gives you a little platform. You can actually set a pot, a pan, or even a Dutch oven right there on top and cook. These shields just come in and out. With 2 of them, you can really direct the heat to one side. Even throw the 3rd one on top and you're capturing all that heat, sending it right to you. So you can use a lot less propane with a small flame, directing the heat right to you. So again, it's Tripod Torch. You can find us at tripodtorch.com.
All right, now we're at Travoca, which is a new company that you can't actually buy yet. They'll be doing a crowdsourcing thing. So if you're interested after you see this, go to travoca.com. Basically, they're launching with coolers, and they have a 25, 35, 45, and 60. And so there's a bunch of unique things about these. First of all, the 25 and the 35 have the same footprint. The 35 is just taller. 45 and the 65 have the same footprint. Their 60 is just taller. And so that means when they do the slides, which is an accessory they're coming out with, they can just do 2 slides and they'll fit all 4 coolers. So what sets these apart is it's a dual opening lid, so you can open from both sides. All of them are dual zone with a removable divider. So as you can see, there's frozen treats in there. So you can set it up as fridge, freezer, freezer, fridge, or all freezer, all fridge, whichever one you want. The exterior is cold rolled steel with like a HDP, like kayak type plastic on the bottom, so it's a little bit tougher down there where it's getting thrown around. Bamboo panels, which honestly are just kind of decorative, but it looks nice. The nice thing is you can also remove them if you just want to save some weight, or mount MOLLE panels or something else there, because we all know we need more places to mount MOLLE panels. One other interesting thing is, like, if you look at most cooler brands, they top out at a 55 before you get onto really, really big ones, and this one is actually 60. So if you're looking for something that's just a little bit bigger than the others, here's the 60 for you. And that is Travoca.
Hi, I'm Nick with Teren. What we do is we try and make high-end outdoor apparel that can be worn for anything and go anywhere. Our company started with our traveler pants. We did back when everything had seams, zippers, cargo pockets everywhere, we tried to just make a nice clean pair of pants that you could wear out in the city, look great, but also just performed amazing. We moved the cargo pocket from down at the hip, and we just kind of put 2 hidden zippered pockets right on the seam. One of the innovative features we did was we have a magnetic button. This way, when you sit down, it kind of can give a little bit. If that way, it's just like when you're on a plane or when you're on a long trip, and then as soon as you stand up, it can reconnect. These are super quick dry, so you can actually like just kind of hang them on the side of the van or do anything, and they'll just be dry in 30 minutes. If you jump in a lake, these things will be dry in 30 minutes. They got a ton of stretch. They're made of a nylon spandex. We put as much features in as we could, so they've got quick drying, antimicrobial. There's built-in permethrin, so it's bug repellency to protect against ticks, mosquitoes, chiggers, and that lasts it's still 85% effective after 75 washes. And then there's also a stain release in here, so when you spill oil drips on your pants, like after a wash, it'll just come right out. Our second product, and one of our most innovative, is our campfire puffy. We got sick of having holes and embers and tear marks in our, puffy jackets that we get. So now this we made of a Nomex-based fabric, which is the same type of fabric that firefighters wear. We thinned it down to make it as packable as possible, and then we even put in a waterproof membrane that's breathable in the inside. So this is actually a fire resistant and waterproof jacket with Primaloft gold insulation, so it's also really warm. Nomex is also kind of in the same family as Kevlar, so it is inherently like tear proof and abrasion resistant. On the inside, it's super soft. It's got a little stretch to it. You got exterior zippered pockets, and then also a couple of stash pockets on the inside, so you can put anything you need into. Got a lot of utility in it, and it's really just a bomb-proof jacket that you can wear anywhere. If you want to check us out, you can go to terendesigns.com. That's T-E-R-E-N designs.com. Love to hear from you.
All right, so if you saw my video with Taruca from More Expo, you recognize this awning. But now they're already working on accessories for it. So this is the Taruca Outdoor Theater. It's literally just a projection movie theater screen. This is a prototype, but it will come with a little pouch, and it just simply Velcros to the flap that opens up with the thing. So you can watch movies when you're out in the wild. All right, there are 4 more things I found worth sharing. First is Wildland's new Summit Explorer Max rooftop tent. What makes this interesting is that it's a fully enclosed hardshell with an all-aluminum frame that sleeps 4 people but weighs just 165 pounds. It has an almost king-sized self-inflating air mattress, comes with lots of interior pockets, a light, compact table and backrest, and even a sleeping bag. There's also 360 degrees of windows with a built-in rainfly. The lower half has T-track slots all the way around, so you can mount accessories to the front, back, and one of the sides. You can even add accessory racks to the top to store stuff on it when it's closed up. The best part is that it folds down pretty quickly. Just release the support beams, flop the rain canopy inward, then use the ladder to fold it closed. Tuck the material in, buckle it shut, and then you're ready to roll with a very compact footprint that takes up much less space on your roof than most 2-person tents. Check them out at iwildlandus.com. Adventure Tool Company had these sleek recovery gear and tool bags to keep all our crap organized. Midland USA was showing off their new mini speaker, and you can check the video's description for a link to that full story. And Pelican Case debuted new roof rack mounting clips to secure their boxes to your roof without requiring you to drill holes in your very expensive cargo box. If you like this and you want more, hit subscribe and check out our other videos from Overland Expo West, More Expo, and other events. Thanks a ton for watching. Till next time, keep rubber side down and have fun out there.